Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I'm off to buy some old school equipment. Now, sometimes it's a bit hard to know what you're buying. It looks good when you look at the advertisement, whether it's an eBay item or something on Gumtree, but you really don't know until you go and open that box or look at it. But one of the things that I find when you go and look at old school equipment or you're going out to buy some stuff is it's really not about the gear. It's about the conversations you have with the person that owns the equipment, and you get to learn the history of where it came from and how did they come across it and what did they used it in. And then sometimes they probably take you out to their garage and suddenly you'll see their old car that still has the old equipment sitting in it, and oh, there's a box of something else they've got, and it just spirals, and you build these connections in a network, and it's quite surprising. And I've made so many friends, a lot of them overseas, just by inquiring and talking about old car audio equipment. We're arriving any second. Okay, well, here we go. One beautiful Cerwin Vega 15-inch stroker. Cosmetically, it's a bit beaten up, but it actually is in really good condition. The spiders are nice and firm. This is a fantastic sub. Now, another little surprise. Two brand new Power 12-inch subs. Now, for those Rock and Fosgate fans, these are mint. Got one sitting in the box. Another one here, brand new box. Fantastic find. Let's get back to the shop. Okay, here's our fantastic pieces that we've collected today. The legendary Cerwin Vega stroker. Now, as soon as I saw this and the guy gave it to me, I could tell it was actually in really good nick. It was covered in dust and everything, but cosmetically it's a bit beaten up. It's been moved around and sat on shelves, but ultimately it's actually in really good condition. The surround here is really stiff. The spiders, dual spider arrangement, really stiff. We'll measure the impedance across the coil too shortly to check. That'll be the ultimate check for me to make sure it is actually not dead on arrival. These guys are brand new, covered in dust but brand new in the box. Very rare, fantastic condition for an old sub. Punch power, 4 ohm, 12-inch subs. Really, really nice. Even the foam surrounds on these are actually in really good condition. I will suspect, however, that will have to be replaced just for peace of mind, but they're in absolutely mint condition. So we'll grab our multimeter. Fantastic, 4 ohms. That's in great condition. As you can see, our subs are all in fantastic condition. Thanks for tuning in. I'm wrapped, really wrapped with this. I got to find a use for it. This is too epic to just sit on the shelf, similarly with these ones. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.